Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to swap players on NBA Live game. So let's get started. First, open the NBA Live game on your device. Tap on the My Team option from the bottom left corner of your screen. In the Team Management section, tap on the player that you want to swap out of your lineup or bench. This will highlight the player and bring up additional options. Now look at the bottom of your screen, where you will see a list of available players. Select the player you want to swap into your lineup or bench. To complete the swap, drag the selected player and drop them over the player you want to replace. The change will take effect immediately. And this is how you can swap players on NBA Live game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.